Hi everyone, I want to give brief information about my landing gear project. Previously, I accomplished kinematic analysis of this landing gear via MSC Adams. Let's see the animation. You can see the spring forces that occur on the landing gear. I obtained joint forces and used them on the nCode DesignLife to calculate fatigue life of these solid parts. To calculate fatigue life, I had to prepare time series on three directions: fx, fy, and fz. This material is carbon manganese steel, which has high impact resistance. Let's see the results. You can see the damage. You can see the critical surfaces here and life. The minimum life is really high, which means there is no fatigue damage on this part, and also we can say that this part has durability to dynamic forces. We can see the detailed results node by node here and the life. Thank you, have a nice day.